It's another math day here with teacher Jenny. Join me for another topic. This time we're going to talk about how to convert radians to degrees. Okay, we start with negative 5 pi over 3. So we wish to convert that one into a degree measure for the angle. So we must take note of the unit of conversion for this one, in which we have that one as pi rad is equivalent to 180 degrees. Or to simply say it, it's really fine if we don't write the rad unit there, because it is understood when it comes to angle measure, if we cannot see any unit at all, that is understood with a rad unit. So we have, or we may write that one as pi is equivalent to 180 degrees. So using the conversion here, we may start converting our angle measure here in terms of radians to degrees. So we have negative 5 pi over 3. We are going to multiply this one with the unit of conversion there, in which we have this in terms of rad. So basically we are going to put the rad unit there at the bottom part. So this will be where our pi is. And 180 degrees will be at the top. So we may now cancel this and this one, including the unit as well. And then on 3 and 180 degrees, we may cancel common factor out, in which that's 3. So 3 divided by 3, that's a 1. And 180 degrees divided by 3, that's a 60 degrees. Multiplying negative 5 and 60 degrees, that's equal to a negative 300 degrees. So that is now our equivalent degrees of our angle measure in terms of radians. We go now to the next one. We have the 11 pi over 6. So again, we are going to make use of the unit of conversion there, in which we are multiplying this one with, again, we are converting rad to degrees. So basically, our denominator here will be containing the rad unit. So we have that as the pi, and then we have 180 degrees at the top. So canceling common out. So we have pi and pi here. And then 6 and 180 degrees, we have common factor, which is 6. So we cancel common out. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 180 divided by 6 is 30 degrees. So this is now equal to 11 times 30 degrees, that's equal to 330 degrees. So let's now go to the last example here. We have 7 rad. Notice we don't have a pi in there. But since we have the radian unit measure of the angle there, so we may convert that one into a degree unit. So we have 7 rad. And we always remember that once we have the conversion, the unit conversion from rad to degree, we have that one as pi rad. So I'm now writing the rad here so that we can cancel the rad in there. And that's equivalent to 180 degrees. So canceling the rad, we are now left with 7 times 180. That will be equal to, this is equal to 1,260. And then we are to retain our pi there, or you may convert that one into 3.1416. But this is acceptable, especially for those who are not allowed to use calculator during the computation or the conversion of the different angle measures. So we have the here. Final answer is 1,260 degrees over pi. So that is how you are going to convert from radian measure of the angle to the degree measure of the angle. So I hope you learned something today, and I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.